Menteri Rangba ke Jylla ukan rat ke sangma bynta ke sngi ke apsau terik unailar ula pembena bagi Sorkar Jylla ke Pynkhreh ben pelong ya ke Tamasa Synrai ke ben sedang nadu risau hadu uno pra mentau snem habakren bak kilap thai Khubor ukan rat sangma ulong bagi jing pelong ya ke ni ke Tamasa ke kentup ya ke International Film Festival ke Winter Tales ke Autumn Festival ke Cherry Blossom Festival ke Migong Festival bat kiwei Menteri Rangba ulong ru baon pelong ya ke North East Olympic Games ulai thuru baka jinlut nak bynta ban pelong ya kani ke Tamasa Synrai ke long Kumba khatsan Klur tingkang Menteri Rangba ke Jylla ula pembena bak Sorkar Jylla ke Pynkhreh ya kalendar batmai jong ki ayom Synrai bat ru ula pembena bak Sorkar Jylla ha kan nyau tarik unai luar arajar arpuar on play ya ke Taj Vivanta Khubor hotel ke badan ha kandailat.
So definitely tourism is a sector that we have been focusing on in the past, and we realize that there's a huge opportunity for us to be able to package things in a much better manner and get much more output out of the different locations and different events that we can do. So with that in mind, we have decided that we should come out with a proper systematic calendar of events so that a tourist is easily able to identify and take a decision on where he or she would want to go. And hence today we are here to announce the calendar of events for the autumn season for Meghalaya, and we feel that after 2 years of COVID, where we have had a lot of challenges, tourism is picking up, and the response has been like never before, and we have a huge inflow of tourists, and hence it is important for us that we are able to maximize the overall situation here and get maximum benefit for our hotels and tour operators and all the other stakeholders in the tourism sector. I would also like to just inform you that on the 7th of September, we will be inaugurating the new Taj Vivanta in the state, that is a Khubor hotel. The inauguration and launching will be on the 7th of September.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.